This is how chocolate chip cookies are made in a factory. We all know the warm smell of a home kitchen. You've likely baked a dozen or two on a Sunday. But forget that. At this scale, ingredients aren't measured by the cup. They are pumped by the ton through pressurized steel veins. You think a cookie is soft? To these machines, dough is a structural problem that must be conquered by 500 pounds of hydraulic pressure. We've gained exclusive access to a facility that outputs 1 million units daily with surgical precision. We are tracking the transformation through 8 brutal production steps. By the end, you'll see why a single degree of heat can ruin 10,000 cookies in a heartbeat. Step 1. The raw intake. Production begins with massive silos. Flour arrives in 30-ton pneumatic blasts. Why store flour in bags? Friction creates heat, so flour is chilled. Gravity is the primary logistics officer here. The screw demands a constant feed. Viscous sweeteners are kept at body temperature. This is the foundation of sweetness. Fat arrives in solid half-ton blocks. The machine carves it like soft butter. Even water is measured to the milliliter. Salt sharpens the dull edge of sugar. The stage is set for a collision. Pressure must be contained for consistency. The chaos is about to begin. Step 2. The violent incorporation. High-torque motors wake up the mixer. It starts as a violent, unorganized mess. The bowl's scraper blade shows no mercy. Resistance is a sign of gluten development. You want a dense cookie, right? Friction can actually cook the dough prematurely. Concentrated vanilla hits the heart of the mix. 2,000 pounds of dough seeks exit. It lands with a heavy, wet thud. Precision rollers dictate the initial thickness. The dough is now a continuous river. It must feel like damp modeling clay. Smaller portions ensure easier handling later on. This is where the personality arrives. The machine waits for the perfect moment. Step 3. The chip integration. 10,000 chips wait in the sky. Irregular chips clog the high-speed injectors. Precision chips ensure a perfect melt. This is the inclusion phase. The machine handles them with surprising care. We don't want to crush the chocolate. Distribution must be mathematically even throughout. Won't the chips just sink to bottom? Constant rotation keeps the solids in suspension. Quality control counts chips per square inch. A chip being poked by a metal probe. Hardness is checked against a strict standard. The dough is now a loaded weapon. Pressure builds as the exit approaches. "12 nozzles wait to breathe." Step 4. The extrusion command. The wire moves faster than a blink. Each puck is a geometric twin. The blade treats chocolate like soft butter. This machine is called the dropper. The belt has a non-stick silicone coating. Thousands of clones march toward the heat. The machine hates an unaligned row. Rejection is swift and totally automated. A microscopic dust of salt adds depth. Contrast makes the sugar taste sweeter. Weight is calculated by volume in real time. There is no turning back now. The yawning mouth of the tunnel oven. Goodbye raw dough, hello chemical reaction. You can almost feel the 300-degree air. Step 5. The thermal gauntlet. This oven is longer than a jetliner. Inside, the cookies begin to slump. Heat breaks down the solid fats. Leavening agents release carbon dioxide gas. Zone 1 sets the cookie's final diameter. Should they be touching each other? Airflow must reach every single edge. This is the Maillard reaction in action. The chips are now molten lava. Moisture is the enemy of a long shelf life. If it's too wet, they'll grow mold. This is where the crunch is forged. The steel belt acts as a griddle. They are perfect but incredibly fragile. They are too soft to be handled. They need to find their structural integrity. Step 6. The stabilization phase. The cooling tunnel is a vertical labyrinth. We can't use fans that are too powerful. High wind would literally blow them away. The core stays warm for 20 minutes. Air must circulate under the cookie base. This saves space on the factory floor. It's checking for a specific thud sound. Silence is rare in this industrial cathedral. Is it possible to cool them too fast? Rapid cooling causes checking or structural cracks. We want a stable, unified final product. The cookies are now hard enough to stack. Every single cookie is about to be judged. The computer sees what the human eye misses. One shade too dark and you're out. Step 7. The final scrutiny. These will be ground into animal feed. Too tall and the package won't close. Perfection is a requirement, not a suggestion. This machine looks for microscopic steel fragments. It can find a needle in this haystack. Today, the machines are behaving perfectly. The stream splits for high-speed wrapping. They must be perfectly parallel for the film. It moves faster than a hummingbird's wings. Air pressure is the gentlest way to grip. You are being placed into a plastic tray. The sleeve protects against oxygen and time. This seal is a barrier against the world. Precision ink tells the story of birth. They are ready for their final armor. Step 8. The armor application. Cardboard is the cookie's external skeleton. The glue sets in less than 1 second. This is the primary case load. Total darkness for the journey ahead. They're heading to the shipping docks. Tracking ensures no box is ever lost. It builds a perfect cube of cookies. This wrap keeps the tower from collapsing. Human intuition takes the wheel at last. From silos to a truck in 4 hours. Next up, your local grocery store shelf. The journey ends where yours begins. Industrial violence becomes a moment of peace. We went from a 60-foot silo of raw flour to the sealed pack in your hand. This is the hidden high-speed world of how it's factory made. What industrial giant should we uncover next? Tell us in the comments which factory floor you want to walk. Subscribe and share this video to keep the machines running. We reveal the precision behind everything you touch. Think cookies are complex? Watch this video next to see how we turn flour into miles of perfectly curled instant noodles.